Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 2 episodes we are going to show you mind-blowing facts about Babymonster. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive news and life-changing content. So let's get it started. Everything we know so far about YG Entertainment's new K-pop girl group, Babymonster. 1. From the group's name to Haram, the founding member. With artists like Blackpink making history as the first South Korean band to headline Coachella, K-pop is still dominating the world of music. In addition to the quartet, the greatest name in K-pop, YG Entertainment, is getting ready to introduce their newest female group, Babymonster, which is expected to be one of the biggest debuts in the scene this year. 2. By the end of 2022, the corporation, which had been tipped to introduce a new musical act, made Babymonster, also known as BAEMON, official. Currently, not much is known about the group other than the fact that there are 7 people in it. 3. For a few years, there had been rumors that YG Entertainment will introduce a new girl group. After speculation started to spread online in May 2021, YG Entertainment spoke with Hypebae to announce that it was getting ready to debut a new girl group. After Blackpink's debut in 2016, this is the first all-female act to make a debut. 4. The collective is known as Babymonster or BAEMON. The moniker BAEMON, an abbreviation for Babymonster, refers to the new 7-member girl group from YG Entertainment. In a teaser video, producer Young Suk stated that they can be compared to a baby with the genes of YG. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.